I think you might want to just stop up here.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, dude, you might want to just
go through here. Slow. Don't go quick, dude. Moja la alternador. Gas it. What the fuck? That bitch is in the road.
yeah, once you start hearing the muffler, you want to gas that shit.